Oke, sebelum lanjut ke video, jangan lupa subscribe, karena subscribe itu gratis. Langsung kita gas aja ya. Jadi di video kali ini, gue bakalan nyelesain story FlOOD of STELL sampai selesai. Langsung aja kita mulai. Di sini aku mau memakai combo wangi-wangi.
Don't worry, I'll stick with you for the whole mission.
Sorry guys kalau patah-patah, namanya juga HP kentang. Sorry ya guys, di video ini aku bakalan skip story karena kelamaan. Sorry ada Maggie masih seratuan karena masih cipe 1000.
Did you hear the waves? Yeah. I'll heal all your wounds. Be careful, everyone.
Hello! Keep on the offensive! Type 0! Fire!
There! Catch this!
Okay, I got it! Surefire! Fully loaded! Hello!
I'll heal all your wounds.
Didn't break this way? I saw that coming. Hello!
The ocean gets angry too.
Hello! Total victory! That was easy!
Orange juice. Orange juice. Glory to Field Industries.
Huh? You all right? I'm fine.
I'm all set! I'm a little nervous, but I'll do my best.
I'll heal all your wounds. Did you hear
Take
the
my
waves?
sword! Take my sword! I will beat you! Good hit! Keep on the offensive! Take my sword!
Eugene, are you finished or what?
Don't rush me. One more time. I'm almost done.
Take my... Type 0! Fire!
There! Catch this!
Okay, I got it!
I'll heal all your wounds.
Keep on the offensive! You're one down!
You have my full support. heal your wounds.
Sweet! A beautiful victory! I did pretty good, didn't I? It got real quiet real quickly.
Relax. The reactors are stopped.
Yes, as long as the issue of the AGI Mecha Legion is... What's going on? The ground is shaking.
It is! The floor is shaking! Ah!
Osiris, grab hold of me!
Hey! Wait! Me too!
Activation command received.
The
Code.
reactors are restarting.
I don't...
It's not fully developed yet.
Admin, watch out on your left!
I can fight too.
It's done.
Got you.
The gate's protection is about to give way. Prepare to withdraw to the command room. I will abandon other areas and prioritize your safety.
Hurry, Admin. Leave this to me. Wide range. Scanning.
Crush them! You lose! Checkmate!
We won! Was I helpful?
I didn't expect you to be at headquarters today, Tyr. If I'd known, I wouldn't have panicked.
Mimir, this is the new administrator?
Yes, but this one's still a rookie.
As a human, how interesting. How about it? Leave Division 9 and come be my assistant.
No! The admin is our very important... important... Anyway, the administrator won't leave Division 9.
Don't you try to steal our admin in front of me, Tyr.
Sorry. I just like to speak my mind. No matter. My offer stands.
Tyr is a director of Division...
For glory to speak.
Tyr, you...
I don't outside anyone who...
Don't worry, I will end...
Administrator, I also... Got it. I'll help.
I'll be on my best behavior! I'm all set! I'll give it my best shot! I can fight too.
Administrator, Should we look for clues about the Overture Squad around the ruins?
Huh? Such a simple mission is a waste of mine and Master's talents.
Over there. A familiar aura.
Huh? Where are you going, Master? Master! Wait for me! I can do this. Got you. Got you. I won't hold back. The word ring. Scanning. Ready when you are. Found you. We'll see who wins after this! We won! Was I helpful? Ah! What the heck? Even more AGI mechas turned up after the factory collapsed!
Though there may be dirt all around, it still shines as bright as a ray of sunlight. So, my precious and shining spirit has been answered by the god of fate. Oh.
Master, how about we go check somewhere else?
Are you okay? The Administrator's new order is to stop the AGI mecha from getting out.
Oh. So you have the same mission as us. Careful, though. This batch of AGI mechas is not...
Eliminate target.
Huh. In the face of Leviathan? These pieces...
Careful!
Wah! Master? What's going on with those things? Why aren't...
Di sini aku skip karena lama BNJT.
My ear. Hey.
Ellie, dodge that! Got you! Ready when you are! Got you! We'll see who wins after this! Found you! Aiming. I can land a hit. Got you! Ellie! Leviathan! Let's go! Hi-ya! I won't hold back. Ready when you are! We'll see who wins after this! Got you! Found you. Ellie aiming. I can land a hit. Ready when you are. We'll see who wins after this. Leviathan, let's go! Hi-ya!
Akhirnya selesai juga.
Was I helpful?
Oke guys, terima kasih telah menonton. video ini. Jangan lupa subscribe and like, oke? Love semua.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.